Everybody, this is Muhammad Kamal, Certified Technical Architect, and you are watching ServiceNow Star. Today I want to bring in one of a practical CMDB scenario using CMDB Data Manager, how we can correctly use it. So now you have got a large number of server CIs that haven't been updated in the past, assume like 20 months. The infrastructure team confirmed these servers are physically gone. They are removed from the data center. However, there's a key requirement here. They still need access to that historic configuration data for audit purpose before anything is permanently deleted. So the question becomes, what is the best policy combination to manage this? Now, the correct response for this one is to retire the policy followed by an archive policy. We need two policies, a retire policy that follows an archive policy. Now, these really align perfectly with the recommended CMDB lifecycle progression, which is operate, retire, archive, and at the end is purge. Let's break this down step by step. First, the retire policy. This policy targets the CI that are considered stale. In this case, not updated for the past 20 months. When the policy runs, it updates those server CIs and mark them as retired. This is important because it reflects the real-world state. Okay, these servers are no longer in operation. So at the same time, the records are still in the main CMDB tables like CMDBCI server. So what is the benefit here? You immediately improve your data quality. Okay, the data quality will be improved, and these retired servers are no longer mixed in the active infrastructure, which means you will have a cleaner operational view, a more accurate reporting, and also you'll have a better decision making. But you haven't lost the data. It's still there for your quick reference if needed. Now come the second step, which is archiving policy. After a defined period, let's say 6 months after retirement, you can apply an archive policy to those same CI. And this policy is going to move them, the record from this active CMDB table to an archive table, such as CMDBCI server archive. Okay, you can put them there, and this is where the real value comes in. You are now achieving two things at once. The first, performance optimization, and the second is audit readiness. So to summarize, use a retire policy to reflect that the stale CI are no longer operational. You can follow it with an archive policy to preserve history while keeping the CMDB